Hazley, that's Ollie. This is Felipe, and that's Bruno. Where's Sugar? She's pregnant right now. Please. Hello, Sugar. Max and Bruno. Oh, why are you white? I think he's losing hair. Oh. I like it. Hello, Ollie. Oh, she doesn't like us. Okay, let me go back to my rooster and chickens, and I hope they don't. I hope the. Hey. Sorry about that. My gate takes forever to close. No. I'm just going this way. Oh, hello. Oh, hello, Felipe. Okay. I'm gonna go show you my baby chickens. They're kind of adult. They're adults now. Where are they? I'm looking for. Oh, they're probably inside sleeping. But hello, guys. They're right here. I'm gonna go check if they have eggs. Nope, they don't have eggs yet. Okay, here's her. And this is our whole neighborhood. Okay, now I'm gonna show you my dogs. Here's Lambert and Casper and Penny. Lambert and Casper. Eva, where are you? Eva, you're not moving today. Oh, sorry, Eva doesn't like us.